we commonly refer to these specially adapted smart homes as forever homes, and you know, energy efficiency is very important to us. You know, quality is very important to us, and when we look at Owens Corning, we view them as a leader in their industry, and so we're honored and privileged that Owens Corning would partner up with us and donate those materials to us.
Our team together really, almost in unison, said, why don't we do a Gary Sinise build? And why don't we participate that and make that the first house to receive Owens Corning Peak Next Gen Fiberglass?
Our initial reaction to being approached about this partnership specifically for this new product was excitement. Having been on the cutting edge of many things in their lives from a medical standpoint and a surgery standpoint, it was like a perfect fit, because they're like, hey, we're used to being the first ones to try this and the first ones to try that. We're super excited that our house gets to be the first one.
I'm so grateful because insulation matters. I mean, it's such a huge part, especially in Southern California, when the weather could turn to 110 tomorrow, and someone like me, where I'm in a recovery phase after surgery and I need it to be a certain temperature, it really matters. So I don't get pressure sores, so I don't get infections.
Obviously, we want to be cutting edge with what we're doing, and the homes that we build are smart homes with lots of technology, lots of detail, but also sustainability is a big deal. And we want these homes to last for many, many, many years and be as low maintenance as possible for these families. And so all of those factors are just a really good fit for this new product.